Harley people, gun people, I got these lights in. I ordered these LED lights off of Amazon, and I figured I would do a little review on them. So got a little thank you from the light company. So basically what I did is one of my lights burned out on my cluster instrument panel on my Harley. So this is a 2013 Road Glide. So I was going to replace one of the lights, and Harley wants, this is Harley's light, and they want $4.75 a piece for these. I got 10 of these for $9, so they were $1 each. $1 each for these. And I wanted to give a side-by-side comparison on what the difference of the lighting is. So I'm going to turn on the power here. So here is the blue LED, and here is the white. And you can see them side by side. It doesn't show up as clear on here, but the blue is a lot brighter. Plus the blue it goes all the way around. Maybe if I back away a little bit, you can tell. Hang on, and I'll put them back in. You can see the difference. Okay, so here's the lights in. See the blue one? See the amber one. Now, some people are saying that the blue, because it's LED, doesn't create heat and it doesn't fog up, whereas the original Harley does create heat and it causes fog up. So I'm going to change all mine to the blue ones that just came in because they're LED and I don't have to worry about them going out. You can tell that one's out and that one's on. And hopefully at night, I'll be able to see better. Actually, the camera is making this one look brighter, but when I look directly, not in the camera, I see the glow in the blue better. So let me get some distance maybe, if that helps. So, and another thing about these is they said they weren't, sometimes when you get these LEDs, they're polarity sensitive, so you have to put them in and then turn the other way and put them in. These are non-polarity sensitive, so you can put them in either way, which saves time to where you don't have to put them in, and if it doesn't work, pull it out, turn it the other way, put it in before you figure out it's burnt out. So 10 of these for $9.99. I'm gonna change all those, and I think did a great job. I don't know if I'm gonna, do I have a license plate light? I do have a little license plate light. I might go ahead and change that one too. Anyway, I'm taking this apart, doing some things, but I basically had to pull this fairing off, so I figured I would show the difference between the lights. All right, well, in that there on, I guess, a light review and LED versus the old Harley style. Well, in that there.